super slow train today. Heyo, it's Wolfletech. So, I was driving home, noticed the train was going very slow, so I was able to pull over and record it at the intersection because of how slow it was going. Hopefully you can hear me. I tend to hold over the microphone on accident, but anyway, one thing that I've kind of learned, and then I realized so I couldn't tell if it was speeding up or slowing down. But anyway, yeah, I can't tell if it's speeding up or slowing. Anyway, so I never talked about my. I want to do a little bit of just kind of a little bit about myself. Well, this is the train line. This railroad line is where I've always grown up on. Yeah, this is the railroad line where I always grew up on. I'm just in the next town over right now. But because of that, I've always liked trains. So being able to not have an annoying gate right here, right now, and to just see the train right now, because like I said, I noticed it was going very slow. Usually it's not going this slow. It's flying by here. However, it's about the same time as Amtrak right now, which comes into the town just over there, where this train's actually heading into. So I'm assuming it's going slow, awaiting Amtrak. So, yeah, I've always liked trains. I always enjoy hearing the train whistle from a distance. It was always nice because at school, when I went up to college, there was a train line in the distance, like many miles up the road. And it was super kind of awesome because I would have my window open at night and I would hear just the train like way in the distance, and it was just, I always felt was like an awesome thing. I know some of my old friends from high school, they used to live right on the train tracks, and they're like, yeah, it's annoying as crap, but you get used to it. But it's always been a funny thing of mine because, it's always been funny because, trains are always intriguing. Especially when they're just randomly long and, you start counting them. Now, this one, I was surprised, only has two inches on the front. And I just realized that it's on the south track, which is right next to the terminal of Amtrak. But yeah, this one only has 2 engines on it. So that may be the reason why it's going slow. Yeah, sorry, I didn't prepare this at all. It's just kind of a random video that I thought of while driving. But yeah, a lot of these are crude oil barrels. Flammable 1993, which I believe is crude oil. But yeah, this is the main line between Chicago and Minneapolis. So anything going between those 2 cities comes via this line. It still looks like it's trying to slow down, but it's hard for me to tell right now. The end of the train is coming up here, but yeah, just randomly, I've always loved trains, so there's going to be a car coming through here on the other side. So anyway, this is Wolfletech. As it slows down, oh wait, there's another train coming. Well, let's see how this timing is going to work out. Poor car. This is literally a dead-end road, so the last car is literally right there. Unless that's Amtrak just coming into Columbus, but yeah, that's Columbus, Wisconsin. Since I said pretty much where I live. Today. Always love when they're misaligned. Sioux line. So it's going slowly that way. The difference is in rail years. 98, 98, 2003, 2003. Is that Amtrak? That's Amtrak. Oh, hello, another train. Another quicker train coming down the line. This is kind of cool. Got to catch 3 trains today. That's really cool. CSX. This is going a lot quicker.